If your lawn tends to form small rings of dead grass year after year, then you could be dealing with Necrotic Ring Spot. Necrotic Ring Spot will spread and kill grass by attacking the roots, but it can easily be mistaken for other lawn diseases, so in this video, we'll show you how to identify Necrotic Ring Spot and treat it so your grass can stay green through the growing season. To shop for the products in this video and learn even more about Necrotic Ring Spot control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the links in the description below. Necrotic ring spot can look nearly identical to another disease, summer patch. In fact, these diseases were once thought to be the same, but have since been distinguished. The main difference between these two is the time of year the diseases will develop. Early indicators of necrotic ring spot may appear starting late spring or fall, when the disease develops in high moisture environments, and when the soil temperature reaches 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit at a 3-inch depth, whereas summer patch develops in the summer. You'll see small patches of slightly discolored grass about 2 to 4 inches in diameter. If the conducive conditions persist, or if the summer months add an additional layer of drought stress on your turf, these small patches can grow larger, around 8 inches in diameter. By then, you may notice these patches have formed an irregular donut shape, with healthy grass growing in the center. Check your lawn for signs of necrotic ring spot and areas where the disease can develop. Like summer patch, necrotic ring spot can affect cool season grasses. However, Kentucky bluegrass is the most vulnerable. Look for areas in your lawn that are particularly shaded or have poor drainage. Necrotic ring spot is known to develop on lawns that see regular overwatering, so these spots create ideal environments for disease development. Drought stress on grass may also prolong visible disease symptoms outside of its regular development window, so look for spots that may dry out easily in the heat. Take note of these conditions when you find them, as they'll direct where you will focus your treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Use a fungicide like Patch Pro as a treatment to stop and control the growth of lawn diseases and fungi. Patch Pro is a systemic fungicide, so it will absorb into the vegetation and attack the disease head-on, leaving the plant unharmed. Make sure you're applying the correct labeled rate to achieve desired results. To control and get rid of necrotic ring spot, apply Patch Pro at the labeled rate of 4 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Be sure not to mow your lawn until the product is dry, or mow your lawn before application. This treatment and the labeled guidelines will ensure you control and prevent disease activity in your lawn. When it comes to turf and vegetation diseases, it is always best to apply before the disease takes root. It's recommended you apply Patch Pro in early spring or fall when conditions are conducive for disease development. Do not apply more than the maximum labeled rate of 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet per year. We recommend using a 20-gallon hose and sprayer to apply Patch Pro since you will be making large volume treatments. The pathogen that causes necrotic ring spot is soil-borne, so it is important that you use enough water to sufficiently treat the area and carry the product down to where it will reach the roots. You may also water your lawn application to ensure the product reaches the roots, but be careful not to overwater to prevent unnecessary runoff. First, remove the reservoir from the nozzle. Make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Patch Pro, then add the proper amount of water. For large volume applications, 2 gallons of water can usually treat 1,000 square feet, but it may require more water to ensure the proper amount of product reaches the roots. The product will mix with the water and create an even emulsion. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn the water on. Apply Patch Pro to areas affected by necrotic ring spot and surrounding areas to prevent spread. For preventative treatments, you may apply Patch Pro to areas that you know will be affected by necrotic ring spot when conditions become conducive for disease development. Also, treat areas in your lawn that are heavily shaded or have poor water drainage. Be sure to spray turf to the point of wet and not runoff. You may need to make a follow-up application 28 days after your initial treatment. If you're treating an active disease, you should see a noticeable reduction in the size of afflicted turf about 2 weeks after your follow-up. An effective way to protect your lawn from diseases and fungi is to maintain its health and keep it strong. By taking proper care of your grass, it's more capable of fighting off necrotic ring spot when it comes around, thus halting the spread of the disease. Rake and dethatch your lawn so more sunlight, water, and future chemical treatments can more easily reach the soil. Trim back tree branches to reduce shade on your lawn. These will not only help nutrients reach your turf, but also encourage evaporation and drainage so your lawn can retain the proper amounts of moisture. Water your lawn properly. Your lawn needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. Water your lawn once a week on the same day every morning. It's better to water your grass deeply once a week than to do it a little every day. Deep watering will encourage stronger roots, whereas shallow watering will create a weaker root system that's more susceptible to disease. Be careful not to overwater, as this may cause necrotic ring spot to develop. Be sure to mow your grass to the proper height. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and strengthens your lawn. You want your grass to be about 3 to 4 inches in height, so adjust your mower accordingly. Also, take some time to make sure your mower is in good shape. The oil should be changed at least once a year, and the blades should be sharpened regularly. Finally, keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain a strong lawn that's better equipped to fight disease. Necrotic ring spot is a lawn disease that affects the roots and completely kills grass, but you can control it yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you get control of your necrotic ring spot problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you liked this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.